Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're going to take a quick look at the receiver ready Deviant. This is what you guys would get if you guys ordered it via email and we're shipping it out of the factory for you. So it would come in a wooden box. If we're shipping it from our US store, then it's going to be coming in a heavy duty box with edge reinforcement. So either way, it's a very safe packaging. But let's take a look at what you would receive when you order a receiver ready Deviant from us. So what you'll see is a lot of packaging, lots of foam, make sure everything is safe. And then we're going to have the Deviant wing also fully packaged. We will have the elevator as well as the fuselage with the fin already glued on. Alright, so let's open these up. So first let's take a quick look at the wing. So let's make sure we open it up carefully. We have a lot of protection. Just make sure everything comes safely. And of course, we fully insure every package that we ship out. So in case there is any damage, we will cover everything for you and we'll get you a new wing or plane or whatever was damaged. Let's take this out. Just cut the tape again. And we can pull the wing out. All right, so this is the receiver ready Deviant. This is the wing. Everything comes fully built. So again, it is receiver ready. So all you need to do is put in a battery and a receiver, balance it, program up your radio, and it's ready to go. So throwing plate is already installed. All the control horns are installed. This is the Deviant Orange Yellow Fire Tiger, one of our more popular colors and graphics. So next up, let's take a look at the fuselage. Just remove everything carefully. There's a bit of tape holding all the foam together so that it doesn't move around. So just make sure you don't force anything. All right, and we will open this up. And this is the fuselage. It has a little bit of extra foam here. I'm going to cut this away. Basically, it's there to protect the push rods that come out. All right, so let's just uncurl that. And that's how everything looks. And we have the fuselage. So our receiver ready Deviants, it comes fully installed with 4 X06 servos. So what you're paying for when you buy a receiver ready Deviant kit from us is the kit itself and then factory installation in Ukraine plus the 4 servos, and the servos are going to be KST X06 servos. So all you need to do is put in a receiver and a battery in here. So in terms of receiver, there's a lot of choice that would work. For example, if you're using Spektrum, the AR410, that's going to put in. If you're using FrSky, you can use the GR6 or the R6. So GR6 has the Vario built in. I'll have links to all of these down below. We sell the FrSky equipment, and the R6 does not have the Vario built in. And with Jetty, you can use the R4L or the R5L. And there's actually quite a bit of choice on what you can use. In terms of battery, you're going to be using something around 350 milliamp. We have the Armsor batteries. These are 1-cell LiPos. One of these comes with 4, so one pack comes with 4. You're going to get 4 of these inside. The only thing is these are only available for our continental USA customers for now because of shipping reasons, but these are going to be a perfect fit for your Deviant. So this would go right into the nose. You slip it in vertically and you would have the receiver vertically beside it as well. And again, these are available, armsorusa.com. I'll have the links down below. So lastly, let's take a quick look at the elevator, and it's all also installed, fully ready for you to use. And it has the spring installed, it has everything installed for you. So here it is. Spring is installed, elevator control horn is installed. Now there's a couple things that you have to be aware of when you receive your receiver ready Deviant. So first thing is you'll notice that there's a piece of tape on the rear right here, and that is holding the elevator pull string. Okay, so basically there's already a loop. It usually does fall inside, and that's why we have a long pigtail that we tape, and all you need to do is pull the tape, pull the pigtail, and the loop will come out for your elevator control horn. In terms of the installation for the servos and push rods, everything is offset. So the wing is offset. If you don't know anything about flapper on offset, or it's a new concept to you, take a look at the video over here. It talks about flapper on offset, why it's useful, and what you need to do. In any case, it's fully installed with that, so all the throws for the wings, for the elevator, for the rudder, everything is optimized. So that's about it. So we usually try to keep Deviant kits and receiver-ready Deviants in stock, but if they're not in stock, then send us an email, we can get it made and shipped out to you directly from the factory in Ukraine. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, send us a message, and hopefully you can enjoy the Deviant with us.